Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and permissions. You have an NFC-capable phone or USB reader. Open the NFC app and grant needed permissions. Once done, tap the blank NFC tag to the reader area and let the app detect tag type so you know capacity and security features. You should also decide the data format. NDEF is standard, because choosing the right format now prevents incompatible writes later. Make sure battery and firmware are stable before writing. You now craft the actual NDEF record. Start by selecting record type, URL for links, text for notes, or MIME for custom data, and enter the payload. Keep it under the tag's capacity. Once done, preview the encoded bytes in the app to verify length and encoding. If too large, trim or chunk into multiple records. Then position the tag and press write. The app typically shows progress and a success confirmation. If the app supports password protection, schedule that after confirming the write. You finish by validating and securing the data. First, read the tag on another phone or reader to confirm the NDEF payload appears correctly. This ensures cross-device compatibility. Next, if you need immutability, set the lock or password features supported by the tag. Do this only after final verification because locking can be irreversible. If something goes wrong, check the tag UID, app error logs, and reposition the tag. Also make sure the payload didn't exceed capacity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.